name is Ramon Lizardo, physician by training, in tech for about a decade, and I've helped 3 companies go towards acquisition over the last 6 years. It's with my pleasure that I want to introduce you to the Sama team. The way Sama has identified, decomposed, and restructured a solution to a fertility problem that has plagued the nation has opened my eyes as a physician, potential enabler of the product, and strategist to seeing how healthcare issues can be solved with profitable and effective solutions. I want to wish the team the utmost success on this demo day, but I got a feeling that those are just words, as eventually we'll all hear in our own clinics the power of what they've built. Best of luck.
Hi, my name is Sarthak Savarkar, and I am the CEO of Sama Fertility. At Sama, we are a fully integrated diagnostic marketplace for fertility clinics, a place where doctors can easily find and order and perform patient testing. Fertility clinics help women become parents who are unable to do so naturally. These clinics rely heavily on diagnostic laboratories to understand their infertility and make healthy babies. Many clinics today use pen and paper or completely outdated software and have trouble integrating new diagnostics, particularly genetic testing. As a result, diagnostic companies must go through an expensive and time-consuming process to distribute their tests to these clinics. Imagine if your grocery store could carry only a handful of items, despite wide availability. Or imagine if every item you bought required a different payment method or a purchase process. And this is an industry-wide problem in the fertility space. This fragmentation negatively affects treatment a patient receives. For example, the average couple undergoes 3 rounds of fertility treatment before successfully conceiving a child today. At a cost of $30,000 per round, fertility treatment remains inaccessible to a large part of the market and a significant financial burden to the patients. Better diagnostics have the power to create better, cheaper outcomes for the patient, but are often unavailable. And that's where we come in. Sama is the bridge that seamlessly connects the diagnostic lab to the fertility clinics and fills in the missing gaps in the current systems. Everything from logistics to bioinformatics, the computational part of analyzing a patient's data. Because of Sama, diagnostic companies can now run on a shared platform with fertility clinics. Our cloud-based platform manages lab workflows, it manages diagnostic analysis, and it creates a marketplace for diagnostics, all completely integrated. Because the clinic and the lab are now running on Sama's shared platform, clinics can seamlessly access and use any of the hundreds of potential diagnostics available on our marketplace. This Amazon for diagnostic strategy puts us right in the center of the market. As a team, we have founded and sold 3 companies, and we have more than 100 years collectively in the field of fertility. We have been part of creation of nearly every diagnostic within fertility. We ended up starting Sama as a response to the shortcomings and hardships we faced during this time. The global market for fertility is increasing rapidly, with Asia Pacific accounting for almost 40% of the market, and hence an important focus for Sama. The fertility market in itself is massive. It is the size of the coffee market. Let that sink in. It is also one of the fastest growing verticals within the field of medicine. Much of this growth is driven by fertility diagnostics. We are happy to announce that diagnostic companies have been seeking us out to be a part of our beta release. We have 9 commitments, 2 at the contract stage from diagnostic companies to offer tests on the platform, as well as 4 from fertility clinics who want to be a part of our beta release. Our business model is to move the clinic and lab to the cloud and offer the platform free to the clinics and only charge the diagnostic companies a percentage every time we analyze a patient's test results. Clinics get a modern system for free and access to better diagnostics, and diagnostic companies trade $1 million upfront expenses for a simple per-use fee. Once validated, we can rapidly expand into other verticals of medicine, like oncology, radiology, and a lot more. We are only 90 days old, but already on track to make a difference within the field of fertility diagnostics. We are looking to raise $3 million. This will fund both product and sales. This will allow us to capture a diagnostic in every category within our first year. We're also looking at onboarding at least 40 clinics within the first 18 months. I cordially invite you for a follow-up meeting to take this conversation further. Thank you very much.